What's up everybody, Fritz here, coming back at you from SVBimmer. This F80 M3 deserves some sort of iconic look to it because every M3 has its own special design that separates it from the other 3 series. But this one, not just yet. And that's exactly why we're going to be installing a lip, upper splitters, as well as carbon fiber grills. Let's get into the video. Here we have the ultimate carbon fiber trio of grills, upper splitters, and a front lip. Just looking at this kit, you know the theme that this M3 is going for, carbon fiber overload, if that's such a thing. Starting from easiest to hardest, we have the upper splitters, which are covered in double-sided tape. Just line up each splitter to their respective side, peel off the tape film, and apply pressure. Now moving up to the grills, we'll need to pop the hood and undo the torque screws that hold in the top of the bumper. Then using a plastic trim tool piece to push in the trim that holds in the grill, and in some instances you can squeeze your hand in there as well. With the grill out, use the opening to do the same thing on the opposite side. We left ours on for comparison purposes. Once the grills are in, reinsert the torque screws that hold in the bumper so we can move down and get to work on that front lip. For this, we're going right back to our double-sided tape, and we're going to put it along the long contact areas of where the lip and bumper will meet. And don't be shy when it comes to using the double-sided tape here. This lip is going to be subject to all that airflow that the front of the car gets. Once the tape is in place and the ends are prepped, stick it onto the car and drill out a few holes for screws. Lips usually have an indentation on where you should do this. Now, if this is enough carbon fiber for you, stick around for the video at the end, so you can check out a carbon fiber fender for this exact M3 platform. And just like that, this F80 M3 has its own iconic look, unique to any other 3 series out there on the street. And if you want your own unique design and style for your BMW, go ahead and click the links down in the description and leave any questions for us down in the comment section below. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of our custom BMW videos. And we'll see all of you guys in the next one.